All right, just while I have my door panel off, I wanted to show this yellow wire here is where the DRL for the driver's side is tied into. And I've got it wrapped here. Okay, you guys, there was a, not necessarily, can't talk. Not necessarily a mistake in the wiring, but I had this deal where if I turn my lights, the interior lights on, that if they're off, then the door light would be on and this one would be on, and that's just not right. And so just to show you what I had to do is, this was where the power was coming from before on pin 2. Factory harness here, plugged into the light harness here. Ultimately, instead of pin 2 and from the left and pin 2 from the right, it's now connected to pin 3 on the left and pin 2 on the right. And that's sort of what's going on here. I repinned the connectors with one that I had already. But so now, if you watch, we turn the lights on. You'd see they'll now come on with the switch, which is how it should be. Same thing with the rest of them. All the door switches. So basically, I just sort of probed for power that was going to the light for the switches on this passenger side, and I figured it out for you guys, so you didn't have to.